Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Qmioti Foldable Kiddie Pool with Canopy. There are features include: features a detachable UPF 50 plus canopy. Qmioti Kiddie Pool creates a shaded splash area that helps keep children cooler during outdoor play. Perfect kids splash pool for backyard, beach, and summer water fun. This 47-inch kids splash pool fits 1 to 2 children or small dogs comfortably. The compact size is ideal for younger kids learning to enjoy water play safely in the backyard, patio, or garden. Made from thick PVC materials, this kids pool features reinforced side panels that keep the pool stable while filled. The smooth edges and sturdy construction create a safe outdoor water play area for toddlers and kids. More than a kiddie swimming pool. Use it as a dog pool, ball pit, sandbox, or toddler play pool. Great for backyard parties, summer play dates, and family outdoor fun. Unlike inflatable pools, this non-inflatable foldable pool sets up in seconds. Simply unfold and fill with water. The built-in drain valve allows quick water release or hose connection for guided drainage, making cleanup fast and convenient. Portable and foldable, this splash pool for kids is easy to carry and store. Ideal for backyard, patio, garden, beach trips, or travel, creating a fun summer water playground anywhere. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.